Yeah, what is the name of the two national parties?
Jamaica National Party. No, wait, Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party. That's right. Welcome back here, J family. Today we are going to do some question and answer.
Jamaican style.
So, what we're going to do, we're going to have Rena in the background. Rena, here.
Yeah, we question here, you know?
I asked you some questions. I'm not really sure the type of questions I'm going to ask you, but Jamaican edition. So, tell them.
The rules of the game is Rihanna is going to ask us some questions like what Tia just said, right? So she'll ask each person the same question. So if a person gets it wrong, or if the two of them get it wrong, you have to take a shot and lime juice. You see it? Right now them places I get tight to work someone is.
I know.
You understand? So cut nature vibes.
Well, of them right.
If you know what you know, go too far and I cut nature, but you don't know.
Anyways,
Let's show it some.
Why? You not ready yet?
some of you don't like up them.
It's not time to throw it out yet.
So when you throw it out.
When time we do the game, the first question.
Oh.
You're
So
ready,
how we
yeah?
are going to know who will go first?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Now I say shoot this
Alright, so
shoot.
you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! So, Julia go first.
No?
Julia go
If
first.
you lose, then you go first.
No, we don't go first. Alright, so me I go first. So me I throw it mine.
So when you say you're going to get it wrong, wait till you get it
No,
wrong.
just throw it out.
No, wait till you get it wrong.
You can go just in there.
First
Right,
question. When did Jamaica gain independence?
1962.
When did Jamaica gain independence, Julia?
1961.
Shut it now, 1962.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Because 61.
62.
Drink. Oh, drink.
I'll be first out of the blast after I'm so confident in my rock, paper, scissors.
Hey, you put up so much of soil. Oh my god.
Oh, have you put too much in there?
No,
No,
it's
no,
okay.
no, you don't take it
It's
ready.
okay.
Take it.
It's okay.
Take it like a man.
Chew the teeth, over the tongue, look out stomach, here it comes.
Boom.
You don't take shot. Chew it like that. You shot.
We in the mirror.
Wait, kill.
God damn.
Drink.
You need some water. You sure this not gonna pass with a bodily harm?
No.
No. Drink it. What me not get none wrong? We go back here in my memory box.
This was not a good idea. Shit.
Well, what me not get none wrong?
Ah, man.
Junior, finish this sentence. The land of
Wood and water.
Land of wood and water.
good. Yeah, what is Jamaica national fruit?
What is Jamaica's national fruit?
Yeah.
Aki.
Okay. Too easy, man. Come on.
How many national era do we have?
Junior.
Yeah, Junior.
Hold on. Wait. Me I'm trying to name them out of my head. Please, wait. Shit.
Hey, let me tell you. You ready?
Yes.
6 and 1 heroin.
Right.
Hey,
No.
Yes.
That's a cut off.
Wait,
But
no,
we
I'm
still,
telling the
I
answer.
can tell, but me still, me tell
No.
you how it. Wait now. Me
No,
tell you how we break down.
no.
Wait now, man.
No,
Me tell you how we break down.
no.
Me tell you how we break down. Me say 6 and 1 heroin. They
Me
don't
no
say
miss.
anybody tell me that.
You know business.
Wait.
Yeah, me are worrying because me
Wait.
know it. Oh my.
Wait, no,
Watching.
I am the person here, so I decided, and I decided I did an error, so that person will not be.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
that's
I
gone.
me give it.
I don't care. That's
heroin.
gone.
She wrong. That's just a 7.
I don't
She
care.
wrong. There's not
I-
7 hero. It's 6 and 1 heroin. She's not a hero. She's a heroine. So you're wrong. You the questionnaire is
What?
wrong. Come take it.
You break it.
Come. Come drink.
Come on.
Okay, so the question will be passed directly to you.
Alright. 6 and 1.
When did Usain Bolt broke the world record?
2011. Did I want to say question?
When did Usain Bolt broke the world record?
That you film pies and me and
Move on. Put move on the song again.
we have to get a specific amount of time for answer, you know.
Hold on, man.
Now,
2005.
2000 what?
5.
Wrong.
Ah!
I said 2008.
2008?
And it's a confident to me now. 2011.
And 2011?
No. Look what you coming
Listen, them say, they will throw you one pies. You see my one day, I might eat that in full thing glass, so. Here we go.
You know what I think,
Why?
you don't drink my fair share already. Not drinking none. Drink my the amount of me throw out, to compare to that, me drink for my second.
Alright.
No, are you throwing out? Are you throwing out? Then I'm going to tell you how much you throw.
Next question. What is the patois for the English word panty?
Who answer? Who?
Yeah.
Baggy.
Draws.
Jaws.
You can be
Wrong.
baggy too.
No. I was looking for the answer. Jaws. Wrong.
You that dress, me never say? I'm going to say, that was a baggy.
Flipping
Because I'm
bad.
like, put on your baggy. So, like,
Drink sour juice. Oh. You should take it like a champion.
Ooh.
So it's not a good idea.
Junior,
Yeah, man.
what is the patois for the English word sneakers?
more than one day.
Booga.
One day.
Boom.
That's wrong. Correct.
Drink
Drink
up, boy.
my
Drink up, boy.
Booga.
No,
Drink up, boy.
People, tell them down in the comment section.
Drink up, boy. Tell him to drink up.
What the patois? She never say what the other name, you know. Patois. For sneakers.
Crepe.
Booga.
Go put down your crepe.
Booga.
Crepe. Go put down your crepe.
Put in your crib.
Go for your crepe.
People,
Drink up.
Left it down there in the comment section.
Drink
Never
up.
drink still enough, but left it down there between crepe or booga. Which one on the thing it is?
Crepe. Booga.
Not boo.
Come on, come. Look more, boy. Alright. Teeth.
Alright, I'm a gang for me, sister and sister. Poop and one.
Drink your
and
shot
murder.
Try to go around the drinking. So when you drink.
Like they eat whole heap of passion fruit on your crew.
Next question.
True or false, is Emancipation Day the 1st of August or the 6th of August?
We are asked.
You.
The 1st of August.
Remember Emancipation
First,
Day.
first.
Alright.
See? Bright
Jamaica
spot.
a part of the Caribbean island, Junior?
Jamaica is a part of what?
The Caribbean islands.
Answer with your mouth.
Yes, yes.
Who is the current Prime Minister?
We are
You can.
Andrew Wallace, aka Bro God.
Junior?
Of which country?
Like Jamaica. Jamaica.
Who's the current
Because we don't
Prime
say
Minister
Jamaica
from
Asian, so it's
Oh.
obvious that Jamaica is Asian. He's such a punk.
Yes, what is the right title for the Prime Minister name?
I'm two different questions. What I talk. My question, something add to it.
No,
You see me
no.
telling you say I'm planting.
Alright,
Andrew
answer.
Wallace. The Right Honorable P. Andrew Wallace.
And we are going to PJ Patterson?
Andrew
You
Wallace.
can go and say, and when I go to school, I'm going to write that I remember that. No, guys. How long that?
Yeah, what is the name of the two national parties?
Jamaica National Party.
Idiot.
No, wait, Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party. That's
wrong.
You can't mistake
No,
and
you
correct
cannot. That
yourself.
is
Yes,
wrong.
it's the People's
That-
National
no,
Party
that
and
is
Jamaica
wrong.
Labour Party.
That's wrong. Jamaica National Party, no name so. Drink.
Junior, do you answer?
JLP, PNP, Jamaica Labour Party, People's National Party. Question here, should we drink or what?
Should we drink?
Drink.
It was just a simple mistake.
No mistake. Wrong.
Yo, come on and say things are confident, you know, the blah blah.
Drink your sour juice. Oh.
Junior,
How much, eh?
who won the last election?
Who won the last election?
Yes.
Jamaica Labour Party.
Correct.
Tell. You can't tell me. What's the question here? You don't say the text on this.
You might do awesome. We can't answer.
No, what you know, she
I
not
answer
answer.
correct.
Me
We
can't
need
answer.
to hire a new question here because this question here, I'm giving the answer before she asks her sister planting.
What is the what is the capital of Jamaica?
A big J.
You don't come from planet Earth.
What is the capital of Jamaica?
Yes.
Kingston.
Junior, you have drink, you know.
Yeah?
You have a drink. Like
Why?
I said. J.
No, but never.
Yeah, but your answer. You see them, but I remember going a while ago with P.
No, I
with
never
P
mean
and
your
Mrs.
ask.
Yes. You know what your answer?
Never me ask.
Your answer. Answer.
No Kingston. You think
You
you're
have a drink.
No,
You see
no
now that
drink.
people go pop show in a boy.
Junior, how many parishes are in Jamaica?
Give me the one where
14.
Not America. Give me the one
How many
where.
parishes are in Jamaica?
Right?
How many parishes are in Jamaica?
Big up the 14 parishes in Jamaica.
Okay. And Junior, what is Jamaica motto?
Huh?
What's the Jamaica motto?
Jamaica Mamato.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're ready for you.
Nice one. Jamaica Mamato. No, them part of school, let me skip them part of primary school and everything.
And the arm, it have nothing to do with arm, brother.
Before God and all mankind. I played that.
Oh, that many one people.
Oh,
Yeah. That's
shit.
a nice shot they do.
Oh.
What? Drink.
Oh,
The
we mix,
banana
no,
float.
I
We
misunderstanding.
don't
now.
have big which miss. Drink.
We mix up the
Take a shot. Take a
You
shot.
can take it.
After answering so confidently,
I know.
take a shot.
Hurry up and drink. Hurry up and drink. Hey, yeah. Hey, boy.
Yo, them thing I show you, so if you pay attention when you go to school, picnic. When you go to school, primary school and them little smaller age school, pay attention. Days like these, when you reach adult stage,
Yeah,
You
man.
hear that? One Jamaican matter before God and all mankind.
A motto still there? Not motto. Next question, Ran.
Patois version that.
Kaya,
Matter.
when did Bob Marley die?
When did Bob Marley die? Little before him keep him funeral.
Okay, let me rephrase that question. In what year did Bob Marley die? Julia?
Hmm? We don't go.
Bob Marley? When we meet, I tell you, boy.
Bob.
Mama, I don't think that even a lollipop more sweet again for you for a while. Her too sour.
And that is the end of our
You done?
question.
Oh God.
Yes.
Guys, boy, if you just stay with the Spartans.
Guys, this was not a good idea. This thing is sour.
The whole around and so.
And this is, I don't think this is the most
The sour.
sour, yeah, the sourest one. I think
So
the
when
most
I green one, the green one, the one with green and
the
this.
kicker. God, really? So, guys, you don't know, I don't know what do we find out. You see me? So, you know what thing go.
Like, comment,
subscribe.
and share up the video.
You see me? More video like this. Don't worry yourself. Riri will always in the background there, so. She will get a challenge one of these days.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
After.
So we want to make this thing a weekly thing where we upload like a quiz thing. You see me? Right? So we're gonna try to see if we can do that. Next time we're gonna have a different quiz with a different type of thing where you have to do if you get the answer wrong. You know, I'll tell you what. So just tune in for the next video, alright?
Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video.
We are telling you a million times. You see me? So we don't know.
Stay tuned.
And
Stay safe.
stay safe.